What's up, Jooba people? So this is going to be a tutorial, just a basic overview of this song by Henry Jamison, Harry Jamison, because it's a very difficult song. I'm really struggling to get this down. So I'm just going to show you a basic idea. So if you really if you want a step-by-step note for no tutorial, this is not going to be it. It's just going to be a basic overview of what he's doing. So he's got kind of this pattern going throughout the song. That kind of indie. If you can't figure out how that pattern works, then you probably shouldn't be doing the song at this level. But anyway, capo on 6. That's kind of the melody. Dun, 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 dun. So on the C you go. That's kind of the vibe, or he's doing with these fingers. So we go. And then he's got this F. And for part 2 he's got for part 2 he's got so doon down. E minor 7. For the second part of the verse is good. So for the chorus, he's got this A minor going. Or you can go. But for the A minor, it's going. And that's sorry. Very spooky note. And then to an F. Once you get into the boom down, that's kind of the vibe. The underlying feel. just way more complicated because you're doing kind of the melody with the 2 fingers. That's kind of the guide video. That's all I'm going to give for this song. In-depth tutorial. Sorry.